Bro, this is insane. Elon Musk recently shared a tweet where another cryptocurrency neo was asking Doge that what are you trying to tell me that I can make a lot of money with Dogecoin? In reply, the Doge said, no Neo, I am trying to tell you that Dogecoin is money. Hello guys, we are your way again back with a new video. In this video, we are going to cover up all recent stuff related to Dogecoin. So sit back and listen carefully because it will going to blow up your mind. Firstly, it will going to blow up some people's mind who think Bitcoin is far more superior to Dogecoin. Recently, there was a hype that this 33-year-old investor became a Dogecoin millionaire this year. So, who the hell is he and how he became a millionaire? Let's take a quick look at his story. He is known as Global Contesto. In February, Global Contesto 33 invested all of his savings in Dogecoin, a meme-inspired cryptocurrency that surged in value this year. About 2 months later, in April, he says he became a Dogecoin millionaire on paper. Like him, some other people invested in crypto inspired by meme. Some got lucky and some did not. But everybody got a question, which is why everyone is so fascinated with this coin. There is some specific cause that brings out a question: what is the percentage did Dogecoin rise? The value of Dogecoin has skyrocketed 12,000% since the beginning of 2021. As of Wednesday, the meme-based cryptocurrency briefly hit an all-time high of USD 0.69 US dollar, translating to a surge more than 12,000% since January 1. But that doesn't explain why Musk is so supportive to Dogecoin. Well, Musk cleared that confusion among his fans. Musk explained the reasoning behind his support for Dogecoin. Lots of people I talked to on the production lines at Tesla or building rockets such as SpaceX own Doge. They aren't financial experts or Silicon Valley technologists. That's why I decided to support Doge. It felt like people's crypto. So here comes the main part of this video. Some are buying this coin and some are not. Should you buy Dogecoin and start your life as a crypto investor? Let's find that out. Well, we found 3 reasons for that. Let's explain it to you. Number 2. Dogecoin is great for crypto novices. Dogecoin's mountainous volatility during the past year is deterrent to some investors, ending putting any significant amount of money into something that can skyrocket or plummet in shorter order requires an iron stomach and the right mindset. However, investors looking to get into crypto game might want to consider Dogecoin as a great option. Why? Well, holding Dogecoin for an extended period can give investors a glimpse of what crypto investing is all about. Investing in cryptocurrencies requires a firm belief that a technological transformation is underway and that crypto will soon remake the world as we know it. Yet, surges and dips driven by fickle sentiment are far for the course. Investors must be willing to weather storms as they come. I view Dogecoin as one of the most speculative and therefore volatile cryptocurrencies out there. Accordingly, those looking to go on an incredible ride may want to put a few dollars to work in Dogecoin. This cryptocurrency will undoubtedly provide a roller coaster ride that's fun at some point and salary at others. Of course, investors should only invest what they are willing to lose in such spectacular assets. Number 3. Dogecoin's market positioning is unique. I think Dogecoin's mining model, inflationary status, and ties to Litecoin cryptocurrency LTC are all intriguing. These factors make Dogecoin unique and an intriguing investment for many crypto enthusiasts. Because it was an early crypto entrant, Dogecoin's mining model is based on proof of work like Bitcoin crypto BTC. This means complex compactual problems must be solved to validate transactions across the Dogecoin blockchain. However, given the concerns around the environmental impact of crypto mining, experts are predicting that Dogecoin will shift into a proof of stake validation model, in which coin holders validate transactions. Such a move entices investors who are on the fence about older cryptocurrencies. So yeah, this is the all update we are interested to give you. If you found this video helpful, share this with your friends and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.